I know I've got expertise. It's not shining through.
Speak to Marilyn Devonish about the clarity code.
I'm trying to do it myself, but AI is just giving me more data.
Contact Marilyn about the clarity code.
You were right, I worked with Marilyn. It only took a few hours.
The business clarity code is amazing.
Wow, a marketing and brand analysis strategy, archetypal profile, business name, soul plan.
Grab your clarity code while you can. It is bespoke, specifically tailored for you, and delivers results, the likes of which you've probably never seen before. The virtual doors are now open. The results have been absolutely incredible. So book now. It's a limited time offer because it's bespoke, it's one-to-one. There are only so many of these I'm going to be doing each month, and sometimes none at all. It's just going to depend. And it includes your brand accelerator, brand strategy, marketing strategy report. That's typically around 55 or so pages. Very easily laid out. You can just go to the section that you need and use it as a blueprint moving forwards. You've got the brand archetype, so we'll do a deeper dive into your primary archetype. You've got your business name soul plan, which is a whole other level, and we've got the business strategy in a box. I really genuinely, I don't think there's anything like this that's been put together before, and it also brings together my kind of skills and expertise from the last 30 plus years. Have been a management consultant since 2003. I've been a soul plan reader since 2013. I've been a coach and therapist for the last 25 and a half years at this point. So we bring all of these together with the practical, get down into it, SWOT, AIDA, etc. analysis, and we bring the whole thing together synergistically. So catch it while you can. It's Marilyn Devonish here, the NeuroSuccess coach, rapid transformation specialist and futurist from transformationstm.com. And you'll find the link to sign up somewhere in the comments or the description.